Okay, sorry about that interruption. I'm going to pop back on. This is part two of parts of a whole, or part of a whole. So this one says, analyze the relationship. Explain how to use two bar graphs to determine 45% of 60. Okay, so this means do what you did before and analyze it. Instead of really, you can do it, but then they want you to explain how to use those. Okay, so we're going to explain. So the first thing that we have to do is we need two bar graphs. Okay, so I'm going to draw it over here to the side so I can refer back to it as I'm explaining it. So step one, these would be like your thinking steps. Draw two bar graphs, strip diagrams, whichever you want to call them. Okay. We've got 60 at the bottom here, and this is going to be 45%. So this whole bar is 100%. So we've got to decide with 45%, how many sections do we want to divide this, our percent, into. We could divide it into 20 sections so that each section is 5%. Okay, so if we're going to do that, this would be half. So that means that's going to be 10 and 10. This would be 5. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so halfway is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That creates 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 spaces. Okay, and then down at the bottom, we've got, if we divide 60 into 20 spaces as well, so we've got 20 sections. So we need to do the same thing on the bottom. We need 20 sections here as well to be the same. Whoops, sorry. So that would be my halfway point, my halfway point, my halfway point. And this would be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And so what we did, let's put step 2, we can catch up. Divide each bar into 20 sections. Okay. Step 3. Now we need to shade our sections. I'm going to put shade. So on the top, we would need to shade for 45%. That would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 45. So that was what? 9 sections. And so on the bottom, we would have to do 9 as well, right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, what we didn't talk about was on the bottom. Okay, so this is, each one of these is, I'll put this, 5%, right? And then each one of these, what's 60 divided by 20? It would be 3, right? So that stands for 3. And so 5 times 9 gives you 45 sections, which is 45%, right? And then 3 times 9 would give you 27, and that would be $27. And so, so we shaded our sections, and so now we need to come up with our conclusion, and it would be 45% of $60 is $27 because $3 times 9 equals $27. There you go. Pretty cool, huh? Awesome. Okay, well, that's the end of part 2. I don't care about you doing that at the bottom part. And I'm thinking that I don't know. Do I want you to do this or I don't want you to do this? You know what? I'm thinking that we'll talk in class, and we may do something different, okay? So I'll see you in class. Bye.